Hello everyone, hello grade 6, I miss you so much. Today we are going to take the grammar lesson in unit 7, lesson 1, page 75 in your pupils book. We have the zero, first conditional and second conditional. Please open your books. Now I will play video for you. Please take your notes and write down the sentences. I will explain while playing the video. Please listen.
Conditional. If and the present simple in condition, present simple in the result.
So here in the form for the zero conditional, of course we have taken if last year, and we know that if has two clauses. The first clause is if clause and the second clause is the result clause. We have some the zero conditional, we have the present simple and the present simple also in the result clause. We have in both clauses we have the present simple.
When the result is always true, a fact.
The use for the zero conditional, we use it to talk about truth, general truth or facts. Okay, general truth or facts. Of course you need some examples.
If you respect the planet.
If you respect the planet, now we have present simple, okay, and it's a fact, by the way.
You recycle your rubbish.
You recycle your rubbish. This is present simple also, and this is a fact also, or general truth.
If you don't recycle your rubbish, you don't respect the planet. If you drive a car, you probably use petrol. If you don't drive a car, you probably don't use petrol.
Yes, so again, the zero conditional, we use the present simple in the if clause and the result clause. We use the present simple in both clauses, and we use it to talk about general truth or facts, okay? And there is something I want to add, that we can use when instead of if in the zero conditional. For example, when the sun goes down, it gets dark. We can use it instead of if. If we use if, we will say if the sun goes down, it gets dark. And we can use when instead of if, saying when the sun goes down, it gets dark. Okay? This is for the zero conditional. Two present simple and in two clauses. We use it to talk about general truth or facts. Okay. Now we will go for the first condition.
First conditional. If and the present simple in condition and the result with will or won't.
So here in the first conditional, we have in if clause we have the present simple, and in the result clause we have the future simple, and we all know that the future simple is will plus the infinitive, and we know that the infinitive is the bare verb, the verb without adding anything. Okay?
Result of probable situations.
In the first conditional, we use it to talk about things that are result of probable situations, or something that is likely to happen in the present or in the future. Things that can happen. Things that can happen in the future or in the present. Okay?
If we clean the oceans, the fish will live.
If we clean the oceans, the fish will live. We have the present simple in the first sentence, and we have the future simple in the second clause. Okay. Sometimes we can use in if clause we can use the present simple. Sometimes we can use the present continuous, and sometimes we can use the present perfect continuous. And still, in the second clause we have the future simple. Okay.
If we don't clean the oceans, the fish won't live. If we plant more trees, the forests will grow.
So we notice here that all the sentences are talking about things that are likely to happen, that can happen in the future or in the present.
Unless we plant more trees, the forests won't grow.
We also can use unless in the first conditional means if not. We can use unless instead of if not. Okay, it means if not with the same rule. That's all for the first conditional. So again, quick revision. The second conditional, we use in if clause we use the present simple or the present continuous or the present perfect continuous, and the second clause or the result clause we use the future simple. We use the second conditional to talk about things that can happen in the future or in the present, or things that are likely to happen in the present or in the future. Okay? Now we go for the second conditional.
Second conditional. If and past simple in condition, and would or wouldn't in result.
In the second conditional, we use in if clause the past simple, and in the result clause we use would or wouldn't plus the infinitive. Again, in the second conditional we use past simple, and the second clause we use would plus the infinitive. Okay.
The result of improbable situation.
In the second conditional, it differs. It's different from the first condition. In the second conditional, we use it to talk about things that are unlikely to happen, things that can't happen in the future or in the present. Okay? Things that are unlikely to happen in the future or in the present. Another use, we use it to give advice. Okay, like if I were you, I'd exercise more. This is advice, giving advice. Or to talk about something which is impossible in the present or in the future. Okay, so we use it to talk about things that are unlikely to happen in the present, the future, to give advice, or to talk about something which is impossible in the future or in the present. Okay.
Relations. If the North Pole melted.
If the North Pole melted tomorrow, we have here past simple.
Tomorrow, your city could be underwater.
Yes, the city could be underwater. So here we use could. We can use could or would plus the infinitive.
If you didn't have a boat, you wouldn't like that. If you went to space, you would need a space suit. If we didn't have the ozone layer, the sun would burn us.
So now, revision on the second conditional. We use the past simple in if clause, and we use would or could plus the infinitive in the result clause. We use it to talk about things that are impossible, things in the future or in the present, things that are unlikely to happen in the present or in the future, or to give advice. Something I want you to know, that sometimes in some sentences we can see that we use where with I. If I, like if I were you, we use where with I only in this rule because we are talking about things that are impossible. So it's something different here. So we use where with if in the second conditional to talk about imaginary things, and so we use where with I. Okay? Now, another revision. Here we have zero conditional, first conditional and second conditional. We have here all the summary for all what we have talking about. We have general truth and general habits in zero conditional. If plus the present simple, present simple. If you add 2 and 2 you get 4. This is fact. This is general truth. The first conditional, we have present simple and future simple, will plus the infinitive. If it rains later, we will stay at home. This is the first conditional. The second conditional, we have impossible things in the present or unlikely things in the future. If plus past simple, would plus the infinitive. If I won the lottery, I would sail around the world. Okay? Now, some examples also. For the zero, we have if I am late for school, my teacher gets angry. Okay? If I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. Of course, this is the first conditional. And here in the second conditional, we have if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a spaceship. Okay? Now that's all. We will make another video for the practice. Please open your pupils book and we will answer the pupils questions. Thank you.